In this video, we are going to graph and solve systems of equations. So in this first problem, it's an equation of a circle. So I have x squared plus y plus 2 squared equals 9. So our x squared is really x plus 0 squared. So my center is going to be 0, negative 2, because it's always opposite. And then my radius is going to be the square root of 9, which is 3. So 0, negative, oh, not positive 2, negative 2. And then a radius of, that's the center, radius of 3. Now this guy, center, opposite, opposite. So 3, negative 6, square root of 4 is 2. So 3, negative 6, 2, 2, 2, 2. And there's my circle. If we're going to write the equation, I'm going to use my circle form. So it'll be x plus 2 squared plus y plus 4 squared, because it's always opposite, equals 5 squared, which is 25. All right, we're going to solve the system by graphing. So this is a parabola with a vertex at 2, 3. That's opposite, same. So I'm going to build my table, and I'm going to plug in each of these values, and I will get 7, 4, 4, 7 if I plug those in my calculator. Then I'm going to plot these points. Now I'm going to graph my line starting at a y value of 3 and then having a slope of 1 over 1. So up 1, right 1. So my solutions would be here and here. So that's 1, 4, and 4, 7. In this equation, we're graphing a circle and a line. So this circle has center at 3, negative 4, and a radius of 5. Three, negative 4, 5. Okay. So here's my circle. And then my line is going to start at negative 6, and then have a slope of negative 1 over 1. So start at negative 6. And I'm going to go down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1. And so this will have solutions here and here. So my solutions would be negative 2, negative 4, and 3, negative 9. On the second page, we're going to solve systems algebraically. So if I look at these first two equations, I'm going to multiply this top equation by 3. And then I'm going to add these two equations together. So end up with negative 12x equals negative 48. And so x equals 4. Then I'm going to plug 4 back in. You can use either equation. So y equals 5. In the second equation, we're going to do substitution. So I'm going to substitute, not for x, for y. So 3x plus 2x minus 5 equals 10. So 5x minus 5 equals 10. 5x equals 15. So x equals 3. Plug that back in, and y equals 1. Now for our non-algebraic systems, I'm still going to use substitution. So x squared minus 4x equals 12, x squared minus 4x minus 12, x minus 6, and x plus 2. Sorry, that got a little messy. Minus 12. So multiplies to negative 12 and adds to negative 4 would be negative 6 and positive 2, which means my x solutions are positive 6 and negative 2. Now to get the y solutions, I'm going to plug each of those back in. So negative 4 times 6 gives me negative 24. And negative 4 times negative 2 gives me 8. All right, substitution again because my y is alone. X squared plus x minus 5 squared equals 25. X minus 5 squared means I'm doing x minus 5 times x minus 5. FOIL this out. X squared minus 5x plus 25 equals 25 means I'm going to have 2x squared minus 10x, and then when I minus this 25 over, those are going to cancel on both sides. So to factor this, I'm going to take out a GCF of 2x, which means my two solutions are that x is 0 and that x is 5. And then when I go to plug those back in, 0 minus 5 is negative 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. So those will be my two solutions. In the next video, we will cover stats and probability.